Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today we are comparing two impressive dash cameras that promise to enhance your driving experience. On one side, we have the dashcam front and rear, featuring a 2.5K plus 1440P resolution, packed with essential features like a G sensor and IR night vision. On the other side, we have the premium dashcam front and rear, boasting 4K resolution with HDR night vision and a STARVIS2 sensor. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out in terms of performance, features, and value for money. When it comes to video quality, the resolution is a crucial factor. The dashcam front and rear offers a resolution of 2.5K plus 1440P, providing clear and detailed footage suitable for everyday driving. In contrast, the dashcam front and rear with 4K resolution takes it a step further, delivering ultra-high-definition clarity that captures every detail, making it ideal for those who want the best possible recording quality. Whether you're documenting your road trips or ensuring safety on the road, the difference in resolution can significantly impact the quality of your footage. Both dashcams come with a variety of features that enhance their usability. The dashcam front and rear includes essential functionalities such as a G sensor, loop recording, and a 170-degree wide-angle view, making it a solid choice for everyday drivers. On the other hand, the dashcam front and rear with 4K resolution offers advanced features like HDR night vision, GPS tracking, and a free 64GB card, making it more suitable for those who prioritize high-tech capabilities and superior performance. The choice between these two will depend on what features you value most in a dashcam. Price is always a significant consideration when purchasing a dashcam. The dashcam front and rear is priced at an affordable $69, making it accessible for budget-conscious consumers who still want reliable performance. In contrast, the dashcam front and rear with 4K resolution comes at a premium price of $599, reflecting its advanced technology and features. While the higher price may deter some, it could be justified for those seeking top-tier performance and quality. Ultimately, your budget will play a crucial role in your decision. In conclusion, both dashcams offer unique advantages depending on your needs. The dashcam front and rear provides a cost-effective solution with solid features, while the dashcam front and rear with 4K resolution delivers unmatched quality and advanced functionalities. Consider your priorities and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.